A section of residents who fled their home due to insecurity and have camped at the Moinonin area that are now grappling with negative effects of the ongoing heavy rains. And of course, what makes it worse is the poor conditions at the camp, which now poses a great health risk, as Chichi Josephine details.
In Baringo North, the families who fled violence after a series of attacks and killings and are camping at Moinonin area are facing a bad situation, which is becoming worse right before their eyes. The residents fled their homes to set camp at this area in these shanties they call their homes.
Sida mingi sasa watu sahi wamekuwa stressed sana. Kwa sababu wamesikia tena manyumba zimepomolewa, imekuwa kasi nyingine tofauti sasa. Na hii wakora.
They now fear that the ongoing heavy rains will wash away their belongings.
Kiangalia vile imekaa, mvua ilinyesha, maji imetambaa kila mahali na watoto wadogo. Kuna mahema yenye imebebwa na maji.
Sasa shida alikuwa hapo tu ni sababu ya maji. Yaani amehema na kwa nini maji tumeribu tunabuguswa nini mehema.
Banditry in this region has forced hundreds out of their homes, leaving them dependent on aid from organizations for survival as a larger humanitarian crisis escalates in the region.
Sasa watu wako wakonye wengi sana na hakuna kitu ya kununua na hata kitu. Na sasa tena tukikaa hivi tukasikia manyumba zetu zimebomolewa huko kakitu tena.
The scene at Moinonin is one of utter devastation, as the most vulnerable are women and children. Their faces ached with worry and fear of a looming cholera outbreaks hangs in the air, a consequence of the overcrowded and unsanitary conditions caused by the downpour.
Ningependa kuomba serikali kama kuna uwezo wangetusaidia na tulete madawa. Kuna watu wagonjwa wanalala kwa mahema, hata saa ukiingia kwa mahema kuna watu wengi wanalala huko.
As rains continue to pour, the government have been urged to intervene with speed to avert disease outbreak.
Sai hawa mimi naona wanahangaika sana. Na hawa wako hapa sai hakuna kitu, hata mtoto akikuwa mgonjwa hakuna namna.
At the same time, the Kenya National Highways Authority (KENHA) has announced the closure of the North Horkalacha Road due to flooding in the area. The Kenya Meteorological Department, in a forecast issued on Monday 1st, showed that heavy downpours were expected in the Central Highlands, Western Kenya, Rift Valley, Southeast Lowlands, Coast, Northeast, and Northwest regions between April 2nd and April 8th. In a statement released on Friday, KENHA highlighted that traffic flow will resume only after a thorough assessment and potential repair of any damaged sections of the road. Chichi Josephine, TV 47.